This is a video from the Exam 1 review. Let's take a look at problem 23. It's the integral of 1 over x to the fourth minus 16 dx. Now, we can write 1 over x to the fourth minus 16 as 1 over x squared plus 4 times x squared minus 4, which is 1 over x squared plus 4 times x plus 2 times x minus 2. Now, I'm going to use partial fraction decomposition. So 1 over x squared plus 4 times x plus 2 times x minus 2 can be written as ax plus b over x squared plus 4 plus c over x plus 2 plus d over x minus 2. So multiplying through by the LCD, we get 1 equals ax plus b times x plus 2 times x minus 2 plus c times x minus 2 times x squared plus 4 plus d times x plus 2 times x squared plus 4. So 1 equals ax plus b times x squared minus 4 plus c times x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4x minus 8 plus d times x cubed plus 2x squared plus 4x plus 8. So I'm just going to distribute the c into every term within the parentheses. Same thing with the d. Okay? And then I'm going to, you can say, FOIL this out. And when I do, I get 1 equals ax cubed plus bx squared minus 4ax minus 4b, right? That's for the first part. Now, what I did also is I started to rearrange terms. So notice how I have cx cubed plus dx cubed. So I collected the x cubed terms together and then I have minus 2x squared plus 2dx squared plus 4cx plus 4dx minus 8c plus 8d. Now, for x cubed, my equation is a plus c plus d equals 0. For x squared, my equation is b minus 2c plus 2d equals 0. For x, my equation is negative 4a plus 4c plus 4d equals 0. And for x to the 0, the constants, I have negative 4b minus 8c plus 8d equals 1. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the first equation, a plus c plus d equals 0. And I'm going to look at the third equation, negative 4a plus 4c plus 4d equals 0. And I'm going to multiply the first equation by, we'll go negative 4 on both sides. And then I'm going to add. And when I do, I get negative 8a equals 0. So a has to equal 0 for starters. And then, so if a is 0, then I have c plus d equals 0. And then, so c is equal to negative d, right? Now, why do I care about that? Because I'm going to replace c with negative d into equation 2 and into equation 4. So I'm going to get b minus 2 times, now remember, this is 2c, but c is negative d, right? That's my main substitution. So it's times negative d plus 2d equals 0. That's the first one. And then negative 4b minus, let's go back, 8 times negative d plus, remind ourselves, 8d equals 1. Now, let's simplify this a little bit. So we get b plus 4d equals 0. Negative 4b plus 16d equals 1. So I'm going to multiply the first equation by 4 on both sides, and I'm going to add. So when I do, I get 32d equals 1. So d equals 1 over 32. Is that okay? So d is 1 over 32. We've also know a is 0, so that's good. And remember, if d is 1 over 32 and c is equal to negative d, we can say c is negative 1 over 32. Right here, right? Now, so we know d, we know c, we know a, right? So can we agree that we're going to be able to solve for b? Because that's the only thing missing. Now, remember, we'll come over here. B minus 2c plus 2d equals 0. So let's double check and make sure that's good, right? So I'm using equation 2. So b plus 2 over 32, if that's okay, because a negative times a negative is a positive, plus 2 over 32 equals 0. So b plus 4 over 32 equals 0. And 4 over 32 reduces to negative 1/8. So I get b equals negative 1/8. Okay, now we're ready to put everything together. So I'm going to get 1 over x to the 4th minus 16 dx, okay, equals the integral of. Now, let's go back. A is 0. B, let's remind ourselves, b is negative 1/8. So I get negative 1/8 divided by x squared plus 4. Okay. Let's go back again. C is negative 1 over 32. So I get minus 1 over 32 divided by, and then remember, what's my denominator? If we go back, the denominator is x plus 2. Then I'm going to go plus 1 over 32 divided by x minus 2 dx. Now, we could do these second two terms pretty quickly, okay? So this is negative 1/8 divided by x squared plus 2 squared, right? Minus 1 over 32 divided by x plus 2 plus 1 over 32 divided by x minus 2 dx. And so this is minus 1/8 times 1/2 arctangent of x over 2 minus 1 over 32 natural log of x plus 2 plus 1 over 32 natural log of x minus 2 in absolute value, right, plus c. But negative 1/8 times a half is minus 1/16. So you get negative 1/16 arctangent of x over 2, okay, minus 1 over 32, natural log of x plus 2, plus 1 over 32, natural log of x minus 2, plus c. And that'll conclude this video for the Exam 1 review. And this was, in fact, problem 23. So, okay, thank you.